This experiment had been created with the goal of identifying if different types of video games would harm or benefit the human brain. Initially, it had been suspected that the strategy-based game genre would help the subjects the most as they were tested on cognitive abilities. To start, subjects began by taking a quiz of 50 randomly generated addition problems of roughly the same difficulty, which they had 1 minute to attempt. They also took a test of how many words out of 10 they could hear and recite, and finally, they did a basic ruler drop reaction time test. Subjects performed all of these before and after playing each game for 5 minutes. The games were the strategy game Bloons Tower Defense, the open-world game Minecraft, the timing game Flash Flash Revolution, and the platforming game Super Mario. None of the games had shown any signs of being detrimental to the brain, apart from timing and platforming, which only decreased the correct to incorrect ratio for the problem-solving tests. In the end, Flash Flash Revolution held the high spot for reaction times, with the ruler only falling for 0.188 seconds on average, and Bloons Tower Defense and Super Mario tied for a close second with 0.19 seconds on average. Flash Flash Revolution also held the highest position for memory, with 5.9 words remembered on average, and Bloons Tower Defense again earned second with 5.5 words remembered on average. However, for the problem-solving tests, the once best Flash Flash Revolution comes in last place with less than 98.5% of the problems that were answered being done correctly, and Bloons Tower Defense earned first this time, with having this number be 99.2%. The game Flash Flash Revolution had suggested the release of adrenaline based on a large amount of focus and attention being required to play the fast and stressful game. This could be why the subjects could react quicker, and also why they seemed to be rushing when they answered the problem-solving. That is, they answered the most questions, but they also answered the most questions incorrectly. This could be since adrenaline is known to speed up the brain. The game Bloons Tower Defense required strategic decision-making, which stimulates the frontal and parietal lobes of the brain. Stimulation of these areas improves future performance using them, which could be why they were able to remember short-term information and problem-solve more effectively, since these functions are controlled by this part of the brain. The fact that most of the games were considerably beneficial could also be because the games were quote-unquote fun and released dopamine from the brain's reward centers, which is also known to improve cognitive functions. Thus, differing video game genres have different, mostly positive effects on the human brain.